Our first bunion of the day. She has a moderate to severe bunion. As you can see, the second digit is already starting to a little bit hammer. So we call this a hammer toe, but you can see the curvature. And that's what happens when you don't treat your bunion on time. It starts undermining the second digit, and eventually it's going to look like this. The bunions should be treated before you get to this level. So moderate to severe bunion, and within a few minutes, I want to say 15-20 minutes, you're going to see this bunion completely corrected. So we're going to start doing the injection right now. Done with our correction. We're just stabilizing it, putting a screw in there.